Welcome to Roofing Quick Tips, where we answer your roofing questions in 60 seconds or less. Today, we're going over how to clean your roof and get those black algae streaks off. Let's get started. Now, first and foremost, before we get into the cleaning, it's important to always take the proper safety precautions before climbing up on your roof. It's especially dangerous now because once that roof gets wet, it's going to be a lot more slippery. So if your roof is too steep, or it's 2 stories up or more to where you get seriously hurt if you fell, hire the professional. With that out of the way, the one thing that you don't want to do is pressure wash a roof. It will hurt it, and if you have asphalt shingles, it's going to take those granules away. Instead, you should soft wash your roof. Now, many tutorials online will tell you that for the mixture, you should use a 1-to-1 ratio of bleach and water, but there are a couple issues with this. Instead, we would recommend you to use a mixture that is specifically designed for cleaning roofs. We would also recommend doing it on an overcast day, as the sun can evaporate the mixture before it has time to work. Lastly, you want to make sure to either move or cover up any materials that you don't want the solution to get on. Now you know how to start the process of getting your roof cleaned. Remember, take those safety precautions, and if you're not 100% confident, hire the professionals. If you're looking for ways that you can maximize your roof's lifespan in addition to having a clean roof, you can click on the link below or at the end of this video to watch our video on 6 tips to maximize your roof's lifespan. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and thank you again for watching the Roofing Channel. Remember to like and subscribe so we can grow and spread more helpful information to homeowners like yourself, and we'll see you next time.